Let's start looking at some specific types of resources. So if I hit Create, I'm going to choose Material, which is perhaps the most basic type of resource that I can add to my page. When I click Material, I'll put in a title. I can put in a description if I want there to be text in Material. Here's some instructions. I can hit Add, and I can add files, videos, links, that kind of thing to the material, either from my own Google Drive, and that's any of your Google Drives. That's not specifically your class drive. You can add it from anywhere. A link, that's like I want them to see a web page. A file, that's a file that I have on my own computer. Or a YouTube video, if I want them to go and watch a video. Here, let's add something from my Google Drive. We'll add these three random top things. I can select them all and add them all at once. With a material, your students can see what you've posted, but they do not get their own copy of it. It's actually a bit laborious for students to download the materials that are attached in this type of posting, in the material type of post. What materials are for is really things that you don't want students to download. For instance, did you make a video of your lecture to do an asynchronous lecture for your students? We'll get to more on that later. And you don't necessarily want them to be able to download the video of you talking. That would be a good thing to post as a material. I can pick which topic section I want it to appear in. I can either post it, I can schedule it to appear later, sort of posts itself automatically, or I can save it as a draft. Here I'm going to save it as a draft. And you can see my new material is posted as a draft. It's light gray. I can see it, but my students can't. If I click on it, they can see the description that I wrote and see all of the things that I've attached. But a copy of these things does not automatically appear in their own Drive folders, and it's a bit more trouble for them to download things like this.